Hello, my name is Stan Walk with Destiny Solutions, and today we are going to do some step-by-step instructions on the DS2500Q Deviser signal analysis meter. We're going to focus on the MER, BER testing, as well as modem testing and carrier to noise. All very user-friendly and very easy to use, and without further ado, we'll get started. Thank you. Okay folks, here we are with the keypad and the touch tone screen of the DS2500Q pulled up so that you can view it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fire up the cable modem, and it'll take just a few minutes for it to bring the modem online. And while we're waiting for that, I'll show you a couple things. Is as simple as just tapping, the cable modem icon to bring the modem online. You'll hear a fan kick on, which helps cool the cable modem. And you'll see up here where it says CM stat. It says it's starting. And of course, once it gets going, it'll fill in all the information here. Right now, it's finding the downstream channel, and it's filling in your information, your MAC address, local IP, gateway, and so forth down in here. We'll give it just a few more seconds. Now it's waiting for a DHCP address, and the modem is online. Okay, now that the modem is online, this thing is so simple and easy to look at different types of tests and so forth. As you can see right now, you can look at all your different IP information. So now we're going to go over here to the downstream. Okay, as far as getting your BER readings, you got pre-BER and post-BER BER over here, and all these here are your frequencies, and these are all the DOCSIS channels that are on this particular system here, and off of the Louisville, Kentucky system. 663 megahertz, that signifies channel 85 in this particular system, and it gives you the power level right away of that particular DOCSIS channel, which is a 0.3 dBmV. Gives you an MER reading of 37.1. Let's see, I believe this is a time measurement there, and of course your pre-BER and then your post-BER readings. So that's your downstream, all the list of them. Of course, you can go through here and you can highlight different ones and see what they are. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's go to another screen. This is kind of cool. It shows you the downstream info and the upstream info right here together on a graph. And if you want to see like what frequency it is, for example, this marker, purple marker, is on a frequency of 19.40 megahertz. So if we tap this, brings it over there, it gives you the frequency of 24.2 megahertz in this particular system. And of course, each time it does, it updates the readings that you are looking for. So like in this case here, the power level of this particular frequency of DOCSIS is 44.5 dBmV. And of course, you go on down the line and move on up to the next one. 30.60 is another one, and it's got a 45 dBmV reading for a power reading. And over here, let's see. So we're going to go to, like here, it says 669 megahertz, and it's going to give you a post-BER and an MER reading as well on this screen. And like I say, so you can look at it that way. There's a lot of different ways you can look at your different testing results. So you can look at both together, or you can go to the downstream only, and then of course it'll just bring up the downstream and give you the numbers across the screen. And of course the IP information, if you need any of that, is going to be right here on this screen. And let's see what else. I think as far as modem readings and tests, we're talking MER, BER, and your power levels of your DOCSIS channels, and it gives you all that in a quick, easy screen, very easy.